Hi, my name is Franz, and I'm going to show you today how to fix your video in VideoPad. This is our VideoPad project, and let us import some video. Add files, choose video.
Hi, my name is Franz, and I have a project in
This
Unity.
is one of my lessons.
Hi, my name is Franz.
Okay, so let's imagine that you want to cut it and to remove some central part. So you slide the slider to the beginning of this place, click on split, and to the end of this place, click on split one more time. Now we choose this area we want to delete, and if you go to video track, do right click and just do ripple delete, you will delete both and video and audio part. If it's okay, it's okay, but sometimes it's not good. Like for example, here I'm explaining something and audio has not to be interrupted. So let's undo and go to audio track, right click and find unlink from video. Now they are separate, and I'm going to video part, video track, right click and ripple delete. Okay, and now we have space here. If I'll just click on close gap on a track, all this part will come closer and we will cover our middle part audio, our audio that has to stay, it had to be. So undo and let us unlink this part from video 2, and now we can do right click and choose close gap in a track. Now you see video is shorter and audio is longer. So here you can do what you need to do, or to cut maybe audio, or for example you can add some video part. Or let's undo. Instead of moving this, because here you are explaining what happens on your video part, we can add here some image. For example, the end of the video that left, let's move the cursor to the end of the video that left. Let's zoom in for it to be more visible, and we went to the end of our video part, previous video part, and right click here and let's choose take snapshot of sequence. Okay, now we have snapshot, now we have image, and let's drag and drop it here and right click and slide it. We just put it here, so while I'll be talking we'll see this picture.
But I have to exit play mode in order to save the scene. Okay, I'll press the play button and now I can save.
So nothing changed for the video, and audio part is connected with the next part of the video. Okay, or for example you decided to change some words in your audio part. Let's choose something. Let's see what's here.
I can save.
Okay, let's remove this save and put record instead of it. We zoomed in. Now we can see when this word starts. Let's do
save the.
Okay, let's move the slider to the beginning, press split, and after that split, click on split again, and now go to audio, click on it, right click, unlink from video, and now you can delete it, or we can just remove the sound, mute it. Now press OK. Yeah, now we can go to our tools and choose narration or record. I'll use record, so you can see that the length has to be less than 95 minus 23, less than 0.7 seconds. So press record. You can choose record audio or record narration. I will choose record audio. Here everything is chosen already. Microphone, it's okay. Save to. You just have to remember well where it will be saved. And now let's start it. Record. And it was. Now let us see. Close it. Record our narration. Let's drag and drop it on the lower audio track. Here you see gray rectangle. It will be our narration. And here we have to move it to start here. And let's see now how it will be. Record
The project I can see.
I think it's okay. This part we can delete. Just put your cursor here, press on split, and click on this area. And when it's gray, do right click and do delete. Okay. Now let's see again. Record
The project I can.
It's okay, but if you have to decrease the volume, you are clicking here, then changing the percentage of volume, and when you're ready, press OK. And it will be like that.
Record The project I can see.
Okay, so that's it for now. You can change audio track, you can change video track, you can change everything, you can add, you can cut, whatever. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!